Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to return clothes on Shein. So to get started with the guide, make sure you turn on the notification button and subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing to do, which is your first step, is to check return eligibility. So return within 30 days of delivery. An item must be unworn, unwashed, and in original packaging with the tag attached, and non-returnable underwears, lingeries, beauty items, and some accessories. Then after that, once you meet up with the eligibility, on the step 2, you have to go to my order in the Shein app or website, then tap me, then from there click on my order, then find the order with the items you want to return, then tap return item. Then on step 3, you have to select items to return. So choose the items and select a reason for return and submit the return request. Then on step 4, you have to choose return method, which is pick from. So here are the list of how you can easily choose the return method. So you can pick from prepaid shipping labels, which may be free for first return, and also a QR code, which is for drop off at certain location. Then the other one is to self-ship, which you pay for shipping and add tracking information. Then on step 5, you have to pack the item. So you use the original packaging or your own, then include everything that comes with the items, then attach the shipping labels or show the QR code at drop off. Then on the step 6, you have to ship the package. So drop it off at the correct return point, which is like you can use the post office or a partner carrier. Then keep your tracking number. Then on the step 7, you have to track return and get refund. So go to the return and refund record in your account. Then refund is usually processed between 5 to 10 working days after the package is received. And that's it. Find the video upload if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.